welcome back to the class. Now we are solving some word problems from exercise 2.2. Here the question is, a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 litre of petrol on Monday. On Monday he filled it with 40 litre of petrol, and the next day, that means on Tuesday, he filled it with 50 litre of petrol. If the cost of 1 litre is 44, then how much did he spend to all over how much he spent? Okay. On Monday, he filled with 40 litre, and on Tuesday or the next day, he filled it with 50 litre. And the cost of petrol per litre is 44. Okay. First we can write the cost of 1 litre of petrol is rupees 44. Then petrol filled on Monday. On Monday he filled 40 litres of petrol. Therefore cost of 1 litre is 44. Therefore cost of 40 litres of petrol is, I will find, that is 1 litre is 44 and 40 litre is 40 into 44 or 44 into 40. What is the answer of this one? 44 into 4. Multiply it with 4 and put 1 0. 4 4s are 16. Again 16 plus 1 70. 1760. This is the cost of 40 litres of petrol. Okay. Cost of 1 litre is 44. Therefore cost of 40 litres of petrol is 1760. Or petrol filled on next day. This petrol filled on next day is 50 litres. Okay. 50 litres of petrol filled on. So cost of 50 litres of petrol is, how much? Cost of 1 litre is 44. Therefore 44 into 50. Okay. That is 44 into 5. 5 4s are 20 plus 22. 2. 1 more 0 is there of 50. Okay. This is the rupees. Cost of 50 litres of petrol. We have to find cost means cost of 40 litre plus cost of 50 litre. That is the total cost. Total amount or total cost is equal to total amount he spent, that is cost of 40 litre of petrol plus cost of 50 litre of petrol. That is equal to 1760 plus 2200. Just find out that sum. 0693. It is rupees 3960 is the total cost of petrol that he spent. Okay. The sixth one. A vendor supplies 32 litre of milk into a hotel in morning. Morning it is 32 litre and 68 in the evening. 32 in the morning and 68 in the evening. If the milk cost is 50 per litre, for 1 litre the cost of the milk is 50, then how much money is due to the vendor per day? In 1 day, how much he get? Okay. For first, cost of 1 litre of milk, that is, cost of 1 litre of milk is rupees 50. It's the cost of 1 litre. Then milk supplied to the hotel in morning. Supplied to hotel in morning. Or milk supplied in morning. Quantity of milk supplied in morning. Or liters of milk supplied in morning. That is equal to, how much is a litre? 32 litre in the morning. And liters of milk supplied in evening. Evening it is 68 litre. Okay. Then cost of 1 litre of milk is 50. Then we have to find cost of 32 litres and cost of 68 litres. Okay. Cost of 32 litres of milk. That is 15 for 1 litre. 15 into 32. That is equal to 15 into 32. 5 2s are 10. 2, 3, 15. 4 0 8 4 480. This is the cost of milk, 32 litres of milk. Okay, rupees 480. Then cost of evening it is 68 liter. 68 liter of milk. That is equal to 68 into 15 or 15 into 68. 68 into 50. 40, 34, 8, 6, 0, 1020 is the cost at the evening. Then we have to find how much money is due to the vendor per day. Per day, how much is that amount of total amount? We can find out the total amount. Okay. Total amount means cost of 32 liter plus cost of 68 liter. It is 480 plus 1020 is equal to what? 1020 plus 480. 0, 5, 1. 1500 is the amount. For one day, that amount or cost of that milk is 1500. Let's name these properties. Which properties is one? Actually, this marks the following. Okay. 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into this 136 will be splitted. That is 6 plus 30 plus 100. 6 plus 30 is 36 plus 100 is 136 we will get. Okay. 136 is splitted as 6 plus 30 plus 100. Which properties is one? This is a distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay. All using these properties we have solved some questions. Okay, this is a distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication. Here it is multiply. That is multiplication over addition. Okay. Actually, this is multiplication, but we split that into addition. 136 we have written 6 plus 30 plus 100. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Then this one 2 into 49 into 50. Here 2 into 50 into 40. Just change the places. Changing places that A into B is equal to B into A. That is commutative property over multiplication. Here it is multiplication. Therefore this commutative property over multiplication. Okay. Then this one 80 plus 2005 plus 20. Here also change the 80 plus 20 plus 2000. Just change these two. Okay. This is also what? Commutative property. Commutative property over which one? Addition or multiplication. Here it is hundreds and therefore over addition. Commutative property over addition. Okay, here is the end of this exercise.